Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the mountains. Say good morning. Say good morning. Stretch it out. Well, we had a massive storm roll through here last night. So we're going to do a little walking around, check for flooding, check for damage, because I didn't even know it was going to rain yesterday. It kind of came out of the blue. I was actually out here last night kind of relaxing right over there, enjoying the moon and the stars. It's almost a full moon. Got some kind of special moon coming up here in the next couple of days. It's a blue something, I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head. Mike was talking about it this morning. Had an armadillo out here in the yard doing a little rooting. Domino's been chasing him off every night. Old guard dog Domino. I'll let him out to go to the bathroom. All of a sudden I hear him barking and running. And I caught him one night chasing the armadillo. So he's trying to do his job. But look at how green from the 2 days of rain that we got earlier this week to the rain that we got last night. It is looking amazing now. Especially with that view back there. There's no flooding in the yard, so that's good. Morning, Midnight. Good morning. Come see your buddy. I know, I hear you. I hear you. It was raining hard last night, wasn't it? Just two best friends. Yeah, the grass is looking amazing now. What are you doing, cutie? What are you doing? Good morning. Are you wiggling your way to me? Huh? Are you wiggling your way to me? Oh, pretty girl. You've turned out to be quite the sweetheart. Yeah, but definitely needed the rain after a solid month of temperatures hitting 100+ degrees just about every single day with no rain whatsoever. Even this area over here is starting to fill in a little bit with grass. Starting to look a lot better. Eventually, the grass will overtake this and there won't be bare spots. Look at it though. It's amazing. Still got this low area right over here where I need to take it down a little bit right there just so it kind of keeps working its way down the hill. Looks good. Happy about the rain. A nice unexpected storm. It did kind of mess up my plans this morning though, because I was going to go back into the woods there and start working on cutting the trails back to the hunting area back there. But it flooded so much last night. I didn't get a chance to do it, and it was raining for a good portion of this morning as well. Little low spots in the driveway here I need to address. I hear you, Chanel. I hear you. I know it. Good morning. Y'all's little mountain's not so high anymore. Y'all are working it down slowly but surely. Come Monday morning, I will be going to get those other 6 bales of hay. I got to take the grapple off the tractor and put the forks back on. So I'll be doing that Monday, I believe. rabbits and the goats and Eclipse and everybody's doing good. I'm not seeing anything down over here in the boneyard. So that's a good sign. I'm shocked I'm not seeing more limbs down because the wind was crazy last night. I mean, crazy. Are you following? Or are you following Domino? Midnight's wanting some attention from Domino this morning. Midnight. And just think, guys, when Domino got here, Midnight and Domino did not get along at all. And now they turned into brother and sister. Let's go ahead and walk down here and check on the downhill section, see how bad it washed out. Y'all just about got the hay knocked down, don't y'all? Oh, did y'all see that? Branch just fell out the tree. It almost got you, Icy. Everybody said you were absolutely beautiful, Eclipse. They enjoyed seeing you on your walk yesterday. You're doing a good job, girl. Domino's scouting ahead for me. It's a big old rock right there I need to get out. The ground's definitely softer right here. Don't look like it washed out too bad. A couple more rains like we've had this week on a consistent basis and the creek will start running again. Domino, where are you going? I don't see no branches or nothing down though. I hear you. I hear you. You back to following me around, huh? Domino, come on. Domino listens pretty good, guys. I love this part of the drive. Come on. So we got no trees down that way. That's good. Mike's already been out this morning, so he said there was a couple of branches down there by the gate, but nothing too serious. I believe he took care of that while he was on his way out. Chanel, I'm trying to film. I'm trying to film. Excuse me. Excuse me. No back talking. No back talking. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. Domino's wanting to be the leader of the pack. Definitely looks different when you come up to the four-way now. A lot more open. Surprised some of these widowmakers didn't come down last night. The ground's pretty soft here on the road right now. We definitely got a lot of rain last night. And some more rocks that need to be scooped out. There goes Midnight. I know it. You like going on these walks. Looking pretty clear this way. Got the birds chirping this morning. Look at this big old pile of rock. We'll be utilizing that one day to build a lot of cool stuff. You coming? Come on. I know it. Come on. Domino, you're full of energy this morning. You're just wanting to stay in the lead. Domino said, let's go exploring. Another pile of rocks right here. Good size rocks. Definitely need to do some rock collecting. Got some big ones over here with moss on them. Be good decoratory ones. Is that a word? Decoratory? Well, you're being vocal this morning. Being quite vocal there. I know it. Stop and smell the flowers. What? What? Oh yeah? You want petted more, huh? You want petted more. You always want your attention now. You used to not like attention. What happened? What happened? When did you get so needy? Oh yeah, that's the spot. That's the spot. Domino's just wanting to explore. He's ready for an adventure. It's one of my favorite rocks that I've found on the property so far. Check this out. Whole lot of character. Domino, I just walked over here the other day. Looks like we survived the storm pretty well. I don't see nothing major down. I was kind of hoping some of those widowmakers would come down now that we removed some of the trees. Domino, come on. I know it. You're being vocal this morning. I've already given you some groceries this morning. Well, I figured I'd take y'all for a walk while I walked around all the different ins and outs of the property here to make sure there's no trees down and stuff like that, because the wind was intense last night, to say the least. The solar panels on top of the tiny house did well. I was curious about that too. That was the biggest winds that we've had since I installed all of that, so it looks like it's working. So I'm thankful for that. We're not getting a whole lot of sunshine quite yet, but solar panels will start doing their work here shortly, for sure. The solar panels have been a big savings for me from day-to-day living. Look at she's just in a playing mood today, guys. She is in a playing mood. But I hope everybody is having a good weekend and got a good weekend planned. Doing something nice for somebody, taking steps closer to your goals. But definitely, hopefully, while you're out and about, you're keeping it real. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.